This is how to use Sumifs in Excel when you only want to get a total by a criteria, like paid or unpaid. Let's start with adding checkboxes in. I'm going to insert checkbox, drag them down. In status, I want this to say paid or I want it to be blank. If E8 is true or the box is checked, it's going to be paid, else it's going to be blank if it's false or unchecked, and the blank is the 2 double quotes with no words in between. Test it out, looking good. Now when I go up to paid, I'm going to do equals Sumifs, and I'm going to select the invoice totals as my sum range, comma, the status column. That's where paid or blank is going to be. And at the end, we only want to capture the totals for paid, so I typed in paid in double quotes. Repeat the exact same thing for open invoices or unpaid, except at the end, it's going to be the double quotes again because we're tracking the blanks in this one. As you test it out, you can see it's working well. Now let's select our cells up at the top and then insert a pie chart. I'm going to click on the legend and the title and just press delete. And then if you go up to the colors, you can change the fill. Let's change paid to green so it matches. And then we'll do a fill of red for the unpaid or the open invoices. You can remove the borders on here. And then let's resize. And we can move this into place. You might want to resize down a little bit further by just dragging those little circles in the corner. And now let's test it out. Everything is dynamic, your totals are updating, as is your pie chart. There's your dashboard.